in just the last 7 days, normal people selling this boring portable car jump starter made $53,000, $490, $30,000, $210, $19,000, and $30. And as a normal person who wants to finally take the plunge and start making money online using affiliate marketing, in this video, I'm going to show you real results from real people, the easiest method to get started in 2026, what affiliate marketing is, minimum requirements are for you to get started, simple AI tools that the pros are taking advantage of, choosing the right products to promote, some personal success and tips. So if you're serious about making your first dollar online in 2026, you won't want to miss this. These people are doing TikTok shop affiliate marketing. This lady is selling a concealer. The commission she's earned is 20%. She's made $6,866 from one video. Let's look at another person's promoting the same product. She has generated in total for the shop she is promoting for and $90. It's 20% commission. So she has made from this one 25-second video 700. Not bad. Some additional results here, completely different product. This is a Goli ashwagandha vitamin D gummy. Scroll a bit further down. If we look at this third one, 24-second video, she has made $515,000, 340, which is a pretty crazy amount considering that it's only a 24-second video. This just ridiculous. Out of all of that, she makes 20% commission. The take-home amount from this video is $103,068. Absolutely bonkers. Different product here, 360-degree rotation dashboard car phone holder. Same principle. Look at this video that's ranked number 4, getting 30% commission out of every single sale. And in total, they brought in $65,000, taken home $19,650 by creating a 16-second video. And they only have 1,000 followers. So proof that you don't need to have a huge following to make money in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money online by promoting other people's products or services. You get a unique link to share, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. The way affiliate marketing works, join an affiliate program like Amazon Associates is one of the biggest ones out there, Shopify, Bluehost, etc. You get a unique link, and from there you promote the product and share the link on a blog, YouTube video. You share the link on social media, email, whatever way or means you use to communicate to the people that you communicate to. And from there, when people purchase that product using your unique link, you get paid a percentage of the sale. For example, you might have a tech blogger reviewing laptops, and they'll include affiliate links to Amazon. If you think of YouTube like Marquez, you get fitness YouTubers, they'll share a link to like gym equipment that they're using, supplements, products, etc. Once you buy those using their link, they get a percentage. Social media influencers, Instagram, TikTok users, they'll link their favorite product, and if you buy through that link, they will get paid a certain commission. Whereas if you go and buy directly from the website, they'll obviously not get paid anything. So in a nutshell, that is how affiliate marketing works in general. Now, the easiest model when it comes to affiliate marketing to get started, the problem is for years, and this has been my belief as well before I started, this affiliate marketing has needed either a high view count, so you're able to attract a lot of views, a lot of eyeballs, or a high follower count, or both, or high engagement. You've got the budget to pay for ads. That's what's always put me off from affiliate marketing. All these influencers claim amazing results. I've just generated $500,000 with affiliate marketing. When you look in the back end, you realize, oh, we actually spent $100,000 on ads. Oh, I've made $10,000 in 24 hours. Oh, you spent $3,000 in ads. The good thing about, and what I find crazy about this easiest form of affiliate marketing, which is called TikTok Shop Affiliate, is you don't need none of that to get started. So let's define what TikTok Shop Affiliate marketing is as a start. We've got Google and our friend Gemini. TikTok Shop Affiliate marketing is a program where brands on TikTok can partner with content creators that's you, the affiliate, to promote their products through video content, allowing creators to earn a commission for each sale generated through their unique links within the TikTok platform, essentially enabling brands to reach a wider audience through the power of influencers on TikTok. So it benefits the brands or shops or companies, whatever you want to call them. It benefits TikTok because it's obviously their platform and they make money from it. And at the bottom, it benefits you, the content creator or affiliate, because you get paid a certain percentage, a certain commission. So it's a win for everyone involved, as with any affiliate marketing. In terms of key points about TikTok Shop affiliate marketing, you as a creator select a product from a marketplace provided by TikTok Shop, which is very easy to access. You create engaging content showcasing the products you've selected from the marketplace. You include a clickable link in the video, which directs viewers to the product page where they can purchase directly. TikTok provides the link. You don't have to be an IT whiz or a developer. Everything is there. Grandmas to teenagers, working moms, everyone can do it. As long as you use the TikTok app, you can earn a percentage of the sale price through your affiliate link. Tying back to these examples, these are TikTok Shop affiliates. They're doing exactly what I'm reading here. You can see this lady with a little one, this married couple, all kinds of diverse people doing TikTok Shop affiliate marketing. Look at this one, 8,200 followers. So you don't have to be someone with thousands. This one I mentioned earlier, they've only got 1,000 followers and made a 16-second video. It doesn't matter how many followers you have as long as you meet the minimum requirement. Going back to Google, the benefits for brands: access to a large audience on TikTok, increased product visibility, and only pay commission when a sale is made. So the brands don't pay you unless a sale is made. TikTok makes whatever they make. Everyone is happy. And the benefit for you, the creator: you monetize your content by promoting products you believe in. You earn income based on the performance of those products. Looking around here for an example. So say, for example, I start talking about this DJI Neo drone, which is available on TikTok Shop. And if I wanted to do an affiliate video promoting it, I could. I genuinely use this DJI Neo mini product and my whole family. It's just a really good experience. So I genuinely use it myself. So why not talk about it on a TikTok video, how it works, how people can start using it, and put a link. Now, there is a sense of flexibility. Brands can set their own commission rates. They can choose which products creators can promote. So although TikTok is obviously the governing body on all of this, there is a sense of flexibility. It's not a cowboy wild west situation where everyone does what they like. There is obviously some regulations, there are some rules that are set in place, but the shops have flexibility in what they want promoted by affiliate marketer. Now let's talk about the minimum requirements to join TikTok Shop affiliate. Here in the UK, to qualify for TikTok Shop affiliate, you need to have a TikTok account with at least 1,000 followers in the UK. In the US, it needs to be a minimum of 5,000 followers. You need to be at least 18 years old. You need to maintain an account that's in good standing, and you will then have access to the product marketplace to apply with brands directly within the TikTok app. You don't necessarily have to apply with brands in order to start promoting the product. For example, this DJI Neo drone, I've already got it in hand. If I go into the TikTok Shop marketplace and select this product, I don't have to get go ahead from the shop or the seller. I'll get the link, put it in a video, talk about the product. Obviously, TikTok has all the technology to make sure that I am representing the product and the company honestly as the product is listed on there. I can't just jump on a video and claim that this flies you to the moon, this transports your whole family underwater to the Mariana Trench or anything ridiculous like that. So there is a sense of governance in there. It's not just a case of get on, do what you want, even though it is easy. As I've mentioned, you need to be 18 or older, account must be in good standing, and you also need log into TikTok Shop and navigate affiliate marketing. I am also keeping in mind that the US is obviously going into through this whole potential ban or potential TikTok sales situation at the moment. But as you can see, even though Donald Trump is having these conversations right now with TikTok, people are still putting their heads down. These are USA results. These people are in the US that are making this money as we speak. By the way, I'm using a tool called Shop Plus. Another good thing, if you want to get a head start when you're starting as a TikTok Shop affiliate, there's these tools that allow you to spy into what's working on TikTok Shop Affiliate. I've got a link to it in the description somewhere, and you can just simply go into it. You can see what products are selling the most, what videos are making the most money, and information. As you can see, I've filtered it by US. So this is USA that we're looking at here, but I'm based in the United Kingdom. So if I wanted to, I could look at the United Kingdom. And then if I go into advanced filtering here towards the bottom, I can filter it by day, weekly, monthly. So I'm asking Shop Plus, what's selling well today? What's selling well this week? What's selling well over the last month? Not only can you do that, but you can also go a level deeper by going into the product that's selling well. And Shop Plus will allow you to see relevant videos, so you can see the video that actually sold the product. You can see how much money they made, how many units they sold. Copy what works, not steal, make it unique, put your spin on it, but you can see what's already working and what's already making money, which is invaluable when you're doing something like TikTok Shop Affiliate. You can do the same thing, obviously different products here, but what's even crazier is you can also go into the individual video, like this one here, for example. This is the video detail page. See, start to download the video and export the script as well. So what's being said in this video, you'll get the full script, and you can essentially word for word see what the person is saying and navigate your way and maybe do your own unique script on the basis of a script that has made $1.6 million. Check it out in the description. I made over £1,000 as a TikTok Shop affiliate, barely putting in any time. Most of those videos, I'm not showing my face either, which is absolutely crazy. So you don't have to show your face for those people that are worried about that. You can also use AI videos if you are someone that enjoys creating within the AI space. Go back to top sales. There's also different kinds of products you can promote. As you can see, it's not just medical products, pillows, there's tech stuff. There's all these different categories that you can select here if you're just starting out. If I go back to the US and randomly select a product here that I've not looked at previously, let's look at these screen protectors, showing how simple it is to start as a TikTok Shop affiliate here. I like looking at the shorter videos. This one here, for example, this is a 7-second long video, which has generated $35,180. So they've made 50% commission on this product. This is a screen protector for smartphones. The price is $5.99 for each screen protector. So this 7-second video here would have made 50% of that amount from promoting this product. So if we go 35,180 and we multiply that by 50%, probably being a bit lazy here, so they made $17,590, making a 7-second video about something they already use. Another key thing which I wanted to mention is if you are starting out as a TikTok Shop affiliate, it's important that you select the correct product. Some products will do well, but some won't be doing very well. So how do you go about choosing something that people are interested in? Because just because I'm talking about this DJI Neo drone, it doesn't mean people are going to care about it. How do I go about finding products that are going viral, products that are trending, or about to start trending, so I can ride that wave, get traffic, and make as much money as I can quickly? The video on the screen goes through exactly how to go about selecting the right products on TikTok. So stick around